So what's up friends, it's Prosper right here again, and in this video I'm about to show you guys is how you can get started using CodeBlocks in writing your programs. So to download CodeBlocks, you just type your CodeBlocks, 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 or let's just type it CodeBlocks. So I download mine from source, so you can download yours from codeblock.org. So click on the first link, which is codeblock.org, right? You click on it. So you click on downloads. So binary release. So binary release for Windows. So you take this first one. So we can get it from FuseHub or from SourceForge. So I'm going to take mine from SourceForge. So it will redirect me to sourceforge.net. So from here, you will just wait. Your download will start shortly. So once you just enter, just wait, start downloading. So I already have it, so I'm going to cancel this right here. So I don't need that. So once you've downloaded it, the next thing you're going to do is you try to get into your download files. And you get your download files, you will see, look at it, CodeBlocks, right? So you just double tap on it and start installing. And once it is installed, so let me assume I quit this. So just follow the prompt, follow the prompt till you are through. So let's click on CodeBlocks. So search it, CodeBlocks, so this is it. And click on it. So I'm also going to show you how you can start a console application, how you can run it successfully, right? How you can run it successfully. So I'm just gonna wait for it to start running up. So we're in the latest CodeBlock 20.03. This is the latest CodeBlock version as of today, 1st of August 2023. So once it's open, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on create a new project. Then you come to console application right here. You double tap on it. Are you making using C or C++? So if it's C, you click on it and you click on next. Then you name your project. So I want to call this area. Then I'll click on next. Then I'll click on finish. You don't need to touch anything there. Just click on finish. Hello world. So that is the first code to show you that it's successful. So you click on file, right? Click on file, click on new, right? You click on project, you click on console project as we've done before. So let's cancel that. So where's our ID now? Where's our ID now? So you just click on file, click on recent projects, you select any of the projects you have been working with, and it comes up. So this is the loop project, so let's click on it. So this is a for loop. So this is how you install a code blocks, right? This is how you install a code block. I don't use C++, I don't use C, so Cerebral. So this is how you install the code blocks and you get started, right? So thank you for watching. Ensure you subscribe to this channel and stay blessed.